Easter egg looking new stamp plates. I'm going to use that. I had to be brave. So cute. Hi everybody. Welcome back. And welcome if you're new. I put on this nice set the other day with some pretty pastels. Getting myself ready for Easter that's coming up in a few days. So I hope you enjoy this video. This gel polish is, I showed these actually in a recent haul video I did, and I will link that. This is what they look like. These are ideal for the spring and looking Easter egg looking. That's what I think these look like. I want to go through my Maniology package and then we'll select some stamp plates and decorate these nails. These are all the new stamp plates I got, and I'm just gonna go through each one and we'll take a look at them, and then we'll pick out what we want to use for the designs. This one is M012, and let's get this coating off, and that will help you to see it better. I turned my ring light off so that it wouldn't shine on the plate so you can get a good look at it. I'm considering using this one actually because I think these would be really good backgrounds, and I might be able to make them look kind of Easter eggy. I love that. Really pretty. That's M464. Oh, and I should have said, okay, let's see. Going back to the first one. This is called Forever Young Stargazer. Okay, that's that one. And then this one is called Special FX Fluid Art. I think that would look really pretty with like holographic polish. This is M483. It's Shape Nouveau All-Star. That is pretty cool. Sorry for the glare. That shows how shiny these are. You can see everything. That is so funny. M488. This one's called Off the Hook. I don't know if fishes are trending this year or not, but I think they were last year and I missed out. So I'm getting myself ready for the summer and do some fish nails because that looked pretty cool. Oh wow, I forgot I got that one. That's really neat. M535, that's called NYE. Oh, New Year's Eve, probably. That's what that means, and it looks it, yeah. Ooh. I mean, I think you could use that for fireworks, the 4th of July, and birthdays. Really, really pretty. I also think you could use that for some celestial type of art, which I think that's where my head was going when I got that. M658. This one is called Polished Swirls. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. MXM 154. That is like psychedelic. That is awesome. This is called Retro Glow Neon Haze. Oh my gosh. We could make some really great nails with these. This will be really fun to use with the fish. Nautical, sea, beachy. This is MXM 157. And that's called Sail Away, High Tide. And look at the waves. Oh, that is so pretty. This is BM XL 355 Classic Beauty. And it's called Hearts and Stars. I could have used that for Valentine's Day. I will use it next year. Hearts and stars are good all the time, in my opinion. And I have taken the blue off of this one already, but this is M566, and it's pronounced, hopefully I get this right because I do not speak French, Toile De Jouy. I think I might want to use that for at least most of the nails. Sorry about the glare. But look at how beautiful. I mean, look at the dragonflies. And there's even like little ripples in the water. This also has these like picture frames that you can put these in. And this one has little bunnies. I'm going to do a couple of tests on this just to see how they will work. I use tape I just take a couple of pieces and stick it next to me. When I get the polish on here, I just go like this and cleans it right up. And I'd like to try this polish first. It's Blue Ribbon. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one here that has the little bunnies and see how that looks on this pad here. Put that on, nice and thick. Swipe. Roll. There it is. Looks good. What do you think? Do you think you could tell what that was on the nail? I think we do it. I want to try this one. I think that could be really cute, or that. I like those. I want to try that too. I think I'm just going to do it. Nice! It looks so good. I had to be brave and just do it. Okay. Now I'm getting brave. Okay. I want to use the yellow on that one. I want to try that one. That looks pretty cool. Very faint though. But maybe we can put something on top that will give it some more. Sometimes they can be just a little bit overhang of the polish from the stamp, so you just kind of push on the edges and it cleans it up. So there they are so far. Now I will go to the other stamp plate. Found some nice colors in my stash. I think I want to put this one. I think I'll use this purpley color. This color is B424 Nightingale, and this one is B472 Sunblaze. I think for my pinky, I wonder if I could get like that right there with the butterfly and the flower. Let's try that. Pinkies are tough because there's not much area to put a design on. I don't want to take too long and have it all dry out on me. That looks good. I like it. Okay. Okay, we're coming along. I want to try this one on here, and I'm going to use this, the Sun Blaze. I'm just going to clean up the very top here. And do this finger. Oh, wow, that's perfect. Perfect. I gotta show you a close-up of that one. Look at that. Little bunnies. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Here's the close-up of that. That is so great. Okay, so for the thumb, I think I want to do that and the bunny. I'm going to try the blue bunny. Okay, there's the bunny. Let's see if we can do this. Perfect. Is that bunny? That it looks so cute. Now I just want to add a little bit more. I have an idea that I want to do on this nail. And what I'm going to do is this stamping plate that I showed you earlier. I'm going to use just a little piece of it. I think I'm going to use this right here. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this yellow. So there's that. I'm going to take off this little bit of extra that I don't need. Let's see how this works. Okay. Just to give a background to the next thing I'm going to do. This stamping plate that we used earlier has some words on it. And I like this blessed one because if I'm going to use these for Easter, that is very appropriate since this is when Jesus was resurrected. So I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to try this one. This is Royal Blue, $3.75. Just one little swipe. Okay. Get that on here. Oh, that'll pop right out. There we go. And now I want to just finish off these nails with some stickers. And I think that sticker right there would be really cute, and maybe put a nice size one. I think that would be pretty. looks so good. I love that. I think I want to use this one right here. That looks so beautiful. I'll just top it off with some Yogo Mayo Zombie Top Gel and cure for 60 seconds. Here's the final set. I love it. That is so perfect for spring. I really love how they came out. I love this set. Cute bunnies. I think the left hand came out a little better than the right, but that's okay. These are all the stamping plates I showed you today. And these top 3 are what we used to create this beautiful set. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I'm going to be definitely using the stamping plates again. They really work out well. So I'm looking forward to the next video. I'm pretty sure the next one's going to be another haul. I hope you have a blessed Easter and a wonderful week, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.